Sam from Hanko ActTrader, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up and add a new workspace. So what exactly is a new workspace? Well, let me just show you. So if we go to these, you see these tabs here where it's trading, charts, instruments, summary, reports. You can just add a new tab for you essentially. You can fill it up with whichever charts you like. So for example, let's say we would just want a workspace just for the Euro US dollar, right? So we do Euro USD. So we add new workspace, we click that, called it Euro USD, click OK. Now we got a Euro USD tab right here. Okay, so we can now just add a new chart. Okay, so we find the Euro USD chart, which is here, and we're going to add a 1 minute chart for the Euro USD. So we'll make a 1 minute here, but we want to add another Euro USD chart, but on a different time frame. Okay, and we're going to do the 15 minute. Okay, so now we got the 1 minute and 15 minute chart of the Euro USD right there. So we can look at the short-term price movements while looking at the more sort of mid-term, overall direction, and we can trade depending on whatever strategy or how you trade. You can get more data by, rather than just constantly flicking through, okay, go to 15 minute, have a look, and then go back to the 1 minute. You can see them side by side. So you can see, okay, look, price is getting towards the top of the last candle. Let's see how it reacts here, etc., whilst looking at the 1 minute to execute the trades, or however style you like to trade. Or it doesn't have to be 1 minute, 15 minute, it could be 1 hour and 1 day. It really is entirely up to you. But my point here is you can set it up to how you like, and it doesn't have to necessarily be Euro US dollar or Euro US dollar charts. It could be different instruments. Again, entirely up to you, but it gives you the freedom and it gives you the ability to set up a workspace for each pair if you want, or each instrument, and you can set it up to however you like. So again, a very nifty and useful feature to have, and it's all within one tab. So when you go back to the trading tab, those charts aren't there anymore. When you go to the charts tab, they aren't there, but Euro USD tab, boom, they are there. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.